the ABA is cool with you becoming the next Warren Buffett. Hi everyone, my name is Wayne Pollack. I'm an attorney who helps other attorneys engage the audience here that are vital to their firm's success, including their clients, their referral sources, their employees, and the media. In this video, the ABA chimes in on investing in non-lawyer owned law firms. Who wouldn't want to become the next Warren Buffett? He's well known as one of the most savvy investors of all time. His warm, approachable demeanor is in stark contrast to those personalities of Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and other well-known business people. His Berkshire Hathaway letters to shareholders are viewed as required reading by non-shareholders interested in learning how to invest and build businesses. He eats McDonald's every day for breakfast. He drinks 5 cans of Coke a day. And oh, by the way, his net worth is about $100 billion. While you are unlikely to ever approach his net worth with your successful investment, the American Bar Association recently released an ethics opinion that says it's okay for you to pursue the same strategy that Warren Buffett used to build his wealth, which is investing in other businesses, specifically non-lawyer owned law firms. In its ethics opinion number 499, released in September 2021, the ABA said that lawyers who are practicing in jurisdictions that prohibit non-lawyer owned law firms can invest without running afoul of the ethics rules in non-lawyer owned law firms when those firms operate in jurisdictions that do allow them. Currently, that is Utah and Arizona, but obviously within the next decade, you can expect more jurisdictions to open up their doors to non-lawyer owned law firms. The caveat, though, is that you're allowed to, a lawyer is allowed to invest outside of their jurisdiction in a non-lawyer owned law firm so long as they are not doing any legal work for that law firm. They're not holding themselves out as being associated with that law firm, and they're not privy to confidential client information held by that law firm. Now, conflicts of interest could arise. For example, if you as the investor are representing a client who is adverse to a client represented by that law firm, or you are negotiating as a transactional attorney on behalf of a client with attorneys from that non-lawyer owned law firm that you invested in. So there are opportunities you can imagine where conflicts would arise and where you might have to recuse yourself from the situation as the lawyer practicing law, or divest from the law firm as an investor. But the bottom line is that for right now, in jurisdictions that follow the ABA's model rules of professional conduct, if you are in a jurisdiction that prohibits non-lawyer owned law firms, you can ethically invest in non-lawyer owned law firms in jurisdictions that allow them. It'll be interesting to see what happens with jurisdictions that don't follow the ABA's model rules of professional conduct, if they will release ethics opinions that follow along the same lines as this ABA ethics opinion 499. So if you want to become the next Warren Buffett, you're going to have to invest in businesses to build that wealth. And if you're a lawyer interested in investing in non-lawyer owned law firms, the ABA says, hey, you can do that if your own jurisdiction prohibits it, as long as you are not practicing law through the firm you invest in, as long as you are not holding yourself out as being associated with that invested law firm, and you are not privy to confidential information from clients in that new law firm. So good luck with your investments, and maybe you can start eating McDonald's every day for breakfast and drinking 5 cans of Coke just like Warren Buffett to increase the chances that you'll be as successful as he is.